Welcome back to the channel. Mopar Man 1978 here. Out here today working on my buddy's General Lee, the one that's usually out in front of Dixie Outfitters. The last couple videos, quite a while back, we found out a lot of the problems. It was because this vehicle still has points. Nothing wrong with points, but the original points and distributor pretty much took a dump. So we got a new distributor with a better quality set of points. I bought the points and condenser from Joe's Distributor Restoration. Go check him out. He's on Facebook. He'll rebuild electronic ignition distributors for Mopars, points distributors. If you got an antique Mopar and then you want something that's a direct factory replacement that's matching numbers, that sort of thing, send in your distributor. He uses all NOS parts, and he does all of his work right at his own place, his own house, and his wife helps him out, and he'll put everything back to specs for you if you got a collector car. But anyway, getting back on the General Lee here, like I said, we replaced the coil, points, distributor, and I already went through the carburetor, and there didn't really need much on, hardly anything on that. We checked. We did have a little bit of a filthy fuel filter. I cleaned that out. I flushed the system, all that sort of thing. Come to find out, something I didn't overlook. It just hadn't got a chance to. Sorry, there's mosquitoes back here. He's trying to land on me. Anyway. The plugs, he's always been used to running the CHINESEIUM auto lights / champion plugs in the big block here. I've always used NGKs, and one of the slant 6, the 65 dart, has NGK IRIDIUM plugs. Great plugs, but here we are. If you guys need a part number, this is the part number right here. Focus in. Come on, camera. It's trying to be difficult this morning. We'll just go there. There you go. That's what you need right there. These are the Iridium. Like I said, the cool thing about Iridium is not only is it a really good electrical conductor, but it stands a lot of abuse with heat and all that sort of thing like an engine would do. Don't use platinums or double platinum. Platinum doesn't conduct electricity very well, but it does hold up to a lot of abuse, a lot of heat, stuff like that. But I'm used to running the nickel V-groove plugs for about $2-3 a piece, but these are about, I think, $5, $4 or $5 something a piece. All 8 of them, I think it's, oh gosh, you do the math. Anyway, here, I haven't done the driver's side yet. Here is the passenger side. Here's the first one we took out. Notice anything about that? It's missing the electrode inside. That's part of the problem. As you can see, plugs are crappy. Like I said, we've tuned this. So it's not the engine's fault or the ignition timing. And look at this one. Gotta love CHINESEIUM. And that's the very back one. Gaps are either way off because of the cheap quality metal, or the parts just decide to break off. So, but anyway, I'll show you. I just finished up the passenger side. Get ready to do driver's side. There you go. That's what the Iridium tips look like. But anyway, I'll go ahead and when I come back, I'll have the driver's side installed, and we'll fire this thing up. And then the last thing I got to do is replace the choke cable. But anyway, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back. took me a little while. I finally wrestled and fought and did the whole 9 yards on this driver's side, getting the spark plugs out. You got to get down in here. Let me basically show you what I'm working with. Small crescent wrench, or medium I should say. Yeah, 9/16 wrench. I don't need the 1/2 inch. 3-inch extension. The skinniest head 3/8 drive ratchet. I just happen to have this 13/16 Duralast socket. Another 3-inch, and then 1 3/8 or whatever you want to call it. I don't know the exact measurement, but anyway, you're gonna have to end up using this wrench, crescent wrench, and these 3 sockets, or this socket and these 3 extensions, and it wouldn't hurt to have a 3/8 drive swivel. On the front one, and I'll do a separate video on this too, but anyway, I'll just leave the video. Stay tuned for the video on the tech tips on how to get these spark plugs out on the driver's side. Anyway, got spark plugs out. They're just as nasty on this side. Of course, they're all Champions. Like I said, stay away from Autolites and Champions. They're junk. CHINESEIUM. We got the Branson Fire Department responding to something as I make a video. So, hope everybody's okay wherever they got to go. Anyway, let me get this stuff off the, I just know that this air cleaner and all this stuff's going to go rolling off all over the place when I start the vehicle up. So I set it up on the roof, crap out of the way. So let's fire this up and see how she does. Oh yeah. Burn like a kitten. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Oh yeah, a lot better. It's burned off a little excess stuff that was not being burned in some of them cylinders. Oh yeah, look at all that crap. Yeah, clearing a lot of the crap out of the exhaust and whatnot. I think it's got a little bit of a valve stem seal leak anyway. This car doesn't get out and ram very much, so it needs to get out on the highway and these other roads instead of just driving around the parking lot. But anyway, you know you got to do it when you have the General Lee. Running a lot better. Okay, well, that's it for this video. I'm not going to bother filming me swapping out the bad manual choke cable. You guys already pretty much know how to install one of them. So anyway, going to be signing off. Stay tuned for more videos, and till then.